RPG Life Science is introducing the teriparatide, teristrong pre-filled pen, your path to help you future with clarity and precision. Our innovative pen delivers your medication effortlessly, stepping to the world of wellness where is meet efficacy. Step 1. Check before use. Check the expiration date on the pen. Do not use if it has expired. Inspect the solution inside the pen. It should be clear and colorless. Do not use if it appears discolored. Step 2. Prepare the teristrong pen. Wash your hand before using of teristrong pen. Remove the pen cap by gently pulling it straight off. Attach the capped pen needles to the end of the pen by pushing it on and turning it clockwise. Turn the dose dialer clockwise until you see 20 mcg in the window. Step 3. Prepare for injection. Prepare your skin for injection with alcohol swab in circular motion. Choose an injection site such as the thigh or abdomen. Gently hold a fold of skin on thigh or abdomen. Insert the needle straight to your skin. Gently inject the dose by using your thumb and gently push the button. Do not pull the pen immediately. Wait for 10 seconds with needle in skin to avoid wastage and dripping of the dose. You must see 0 mcg in the dose window, which tells you that full dose has been injected. In dose counting feature, you can check how many doses has been left in your teristrong pre-filled pens. Step 4. Disposed of used needle. Place the outer needle shield on the needle and remove the capped needle by turning it clockwise. Throw the needle in dustbin. Step 5. Storage. Replace the cap on the pen and store at 2 to 8 degrees Celsius in the fridge. Do not freeze.